Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this smartband. Before we start, you can check the amount of steps taken on the smartband in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces support it. So basically, when you wake up the screen and you see the watch face, some of the watch faces have the steps widget on them. And you can also try to tap on the widget to cycle between them, and one of them could be the step widget. Another way to check it is to open the activities menu. To do it, swipe up on the screen and you will see the activities menu, and here we have it, this amounts of steps. And last way to do it is to do it through the phone application if your smartband is paired with a phone. So we can move this away, bring the phone right here, wake up the screen on it, unlock it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our smartband, we can open the Fitbit application. In the app, you will see the today page, and on it, as you can see, we have the steps. You can tap on steps right here, and right here you have more detailed information. We have the daily progress, weekly, monthly and yearly. You can also check it right here, and tap on it to open the same page. Okay, and once you're done checking, you can of course close the app. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.